Hi guys, in this tutorial we will go through an error, especially when we are working on the Excel file. Uh, this error is occurred whenever we have Excel as a source, and I will create uh, a quick packages to show you guys what's going on when we have uh, the Excel as a source. This is the connection manager for the Excel. I'm gonna use it as a source, and this is my table. It will be used as a destination. Let me just click and see. This is my destination. So let me create uh, the destination. Okay, now let me go to data flow and to the source. Here my Excel file, and I have these sheets. I have those columns. Excuse me. So let me go to the destination, and I have employees tables as a table. Everything is matched. Okay, now let me see if I run the package, what's going on. There is an error. It will be fired here. See guys, there is an error, and the error says like one or more component failed validation. What does that mean? Actually, the Excel files come as a 32-bit, and Visual Studio trying to run it as 64. So there is other stuff that you can maybe download in order to fix this issue 64 with this exactly this issue. But what you can do is go to the main project right here, right click and go to properties, go to the configuration properties, go to debugging. Here, you are enabling to run the Visual Studio in like 64-bit runtime. What you need to do is, turn it to false. So it will be turned into 32-bit. Press OK. Now, let's run the package, and we'll see the error will be solved. See, guys, there is no error, and everything uh, went well. So this is how you can fix an error with an Excel source. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and see you for the next videos. Thank you.